his daughter, Gertrude, and of course, mommy with her son, Jefferson. Sige, go. Pakikikot po yung girls. Ikot po. Yes, kagaya nung kay Sir Jefferson. One more, Sir Jefferson, hindi nila nakita. Patingin daw po, ganun daw po. Daddy, yan, ganun kagaya sa kanila. Okay, palakpakan naman natin. Okay, mommy and daddy with their children. And of course, we also have here the grandchildren. May I call on Missy and Ellie for daddy, and Marco and Priam for mommy. Unahin natin si Missy. Missy and Marco. Daddy, dito ka lang. Isasayaw mo ba si Missy? Yes. Marco kay mommy. Sige, go. Dance. Ikot. Pakiikot po ang girls. Okay. Nahilo ka na po, mami. May isa pa. Okay, next we have Ellie for daddy and Priam for mommy. Priam, dance mo lang si mommy. Ayan, gusto pala niya yung nakayakap eh. Huwag niyo lang daw ipakita yung mukha niya. Sige, go. Daddy, kaya mo pa siyang iikot? Daddy, ikot mo siya, daddy. Oo, kanan, kaliwa. And first, palakpakan naman po natin. Yan po ang kanilang grandchildren. Thank you so much, kids. And of course, bigyan naman natin ng time, special time.